Hi everyone, welcome to Rocket Rose Art. I'm Jeff, and this video is going to test me a little bit because I've got a very small piece of a red orange colour that I want to try and cut a round cabochon out of. This very small piece, you can get some idea of the size from my fingers, is a bit of an experiment for me. Tried to get a red piece, but it's ended up more orange than anything. I'll try and cut a round cab out of it just to see how it polishes up. In part of the process I'll also show you how I'm going to dop this up, because it's very small and dopping up is going to be a bit of a challenge. Okay, to dop this little piece up, I've got a dop stick here with a bit of wax on the end of it. I've shaped it to fit the stone, so it's a matter of just warming this up and warming the stone up and then trying to shape it to get a really good grip. So just warm the stone up a little bit, warm up the wax. I don't want to melt the wax too much, I just want to warm it up. And hopefully we'll get it to stick on there, and then get it nice and level on the dop stick before the wax goes too hard. And if it gets a bit too hard, just warm it up a little bit. So we got it nice and level. So I'll go over into the wheel now and shape that up. Okay, I've dopped up this little red piece. Now I'll just try and get a nice round shape. I could have gone over onto the coarse lap with this. I thought I can probably do it here without the coarse lap, and I'll have a bit more control as well. If you've watched the other videos, you'll know that what I do is keep the dop stick vertical, do the sides first, just to get that nice shape. We're very close to our shape. Now I'll put an edge on it for setting the stone. Hold my dop stick at about 30 degrees, go around and chamfer it in. Check my shape again. Go back and adjust the angle and roll this stone over. Progressively adjust that angle to roll the stone. I don't think this stone's going to be much, there's too much of the black coming through, which is the background colour. but you'll get an idea anyway. Okay, now we'll just go around, continuously go around, try and get all the facets off. As you can see, I don't know that it's going to be a very nice stone. It's certainly reddish, more orangey red than anything. But yeah, I don't think it's going to be terribly nice stone. Shakes out a bit. Just now trying to get all those facets off before I'll be ready for the kiln. And hopefully I've got the shape all right. It's a high dome. Perhaps a little bit out. Well, I think that's pretty good. I think it's ready for the kiln. And I'll come back and show you when it comes out of the kiln. Let's hope it looks a little bit better than it does now. Well, back out of the kiln, and I'm pleasantly surprised. This little bit of red has turned out a lot better than I expected. It's dark, not as dark as I thought it was going to be, and it's more red. I thought it was going to be a bit more orange, but it's turned out a lot more red than I expected. In fact, I've got another small piece of this, and I'm going to cut that and make two, hopefully the same colour, for a pair of earrings, and then another piece that'll make a nice pendant. I'll try and do a video on that one where I'm cutting the piece for the pendant. It might end up being a really nice set. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed that, and I'll be back in the next video. Bye for now.